Hey guys, Travis here at the EA factory. Look here, we got some lights on in the factory. It's gonna be a Friday walk on a Thursday. We're gonna make it real quick. It's about 20 till 5, so I've been trying to get out here for, I don't know, at least an hour just to give you guys a quick walkthrough before I leave for the Easter holiday. Look here, some wickedness right outside the office. Right here, I think these are available for sale. I mean, like tomorrow shipping. We'll come in tomorrow and ship these things for you if you order right now. Wait, I think it's April Fool's. Sorry, I was just reading the script there. But check it out. That's original double lid wickedness right there. And it's gonna get a little loud, so that's one of the drawbacks to being some live people in this factory. So got some, look at that, that's a 48-inch BX pin on, under 200 pounds. That's some John Deere wickedness right there, some green for you. What we have here, we got a wicked bucket going together. So I hadn't seen a wicked bucket in a while. He's gonna get a little loud, but that's a wicked bucket, 100% hard ox. See that red shining, made in the USA. It's getting the 3/8 hard ox edge bolted on it right there. It'll also have a 3/8 smooth hard ox edge. What we have, that's extreme wicked 30 to 70 box blade, getting tacked right there. Wicked 66, a few wicked 66s rolling through. You know why our lids don't bend or bow? Look at that thick BOM round tubing. You're not gonna bow this stuff. Some of these imposter grapples out there, people are gonna start using those things here pretty soon. Getting springtime, you're gonna see a lot of upset people out there. What we got here? Here we go. See Ryan in action. Got his scuba suit on, laying down some welds. And forgive me if I'm shaking. They say these guys like the doors open in here, even though it's a frigid, about 50 degrees outside. I don't know if I'm nervous from all this beautiful wickedness or if it's the chills. But what's up, Brian? Looking good. Look at that. Smoking hot wickedness right there, naked. Oh, he said he forgot to do his makeup. We got Arthur. See, I'm in the danger zone right here. Ground zero. Got Arthur. He's moving around the wicked box blade there. Got some more wicked buckets here. Oh yeah. They're tacked on deck for Ryan to get some welds laid down on them. Let's go. I'll take you for a walk around this bucket here. It's just tacked back there. But that's fresh right there. Laying down that solid bead right there. How about it? All right, we're gonna move on. So I'm gonna try to keep this video a little short today. Maybe Facebook will take it, throw it up on Facebook, Everything Attachments channel before I leave today. That's some Plows. Yeah, you know I've mentioned the Plows. We make Plows the old school way, the way they were made back when mules were pulling them. That's just one of those attachments that you know, the pioneers, they figured it out. Something that really just doesn't need to be reinvented. So traditional plow design. Right there's the land leveler ends. We got some EA compact forks going on right there. Getting some solid continuous welds laid down on them puppies. Yeah, the entire rail is hard ox, and it's all solid continuous welds on that thing. What's up? So this is our second shift in motion. If you didn't catch on there, we've got a nice skeleton crew started here. I've been seeing people flow in and out, you know, interviewing, welcoming some new guys into the EA family. Only the best is what we are accepting here. I mean, really high, really high expectations for an EA welder. And if you can see, I don't only have to say it, it's just obvious when you look at this stuff. We're not accepting any rookies. So here we have our subsolar. How's it going?
How you doing, bud?
All right. Putting together this, you know, even the small stuff. Look at that. Solid. Walk back here and see what's going on. So yeah, we'll be filling in some spots there on we're gonna be cooking on second shift. I hear the assembly, we're gonna get them fired up too. So we're just gotta keep this going for you guys. You know, we're even with the weights, it's amazing how many people they don't blink an eye. It's they're like, I talked to a guy today, ordered a Wicked 55. He had said he had been through 3 Land Pride grapples, 3 Land Pride grapples, and he said, man, I wish I knew about EA before, because he would have been on his first Wicked and loving life. But he said that there were some defects, well, not really defects, but just weak points that he brought to life and to light with the dealer after he broke it. So they warranted one, so then he went on to the second one, and same deal, kind of beefed it up even before he started using it. But same deal with it, even though it was beefed up, he's already broke it and ordered him a 55. He said he's gonna go to the welding shop and, you know, get it patched up so he can limp along a little while he's waiting on his 55. So what we see here's a full sheet Wicked tooth bars. How about it? Even the little triangle wedge keepers there, hard ox. That's 100%. There's no contest. Nothing compares to the Wicked tooth bar rigidity, the dimensions, the laser cut, serrated. Chucky, I hope I didn't get too close to that thing. Maybe I didn't. She's still cooking. Oh, it's okay. Chucky told me that if there's a full sheet out here, then I'll trip the safeties. But if it's already loaded, the new sheet, and it's got the cut sheet sitting out here, I won't set off those sensors. So see, Chucky, I do pay attention. How about it? Got us some action tonight with some wickedness, some more. Look at that thing. It's eating through this hard ox. I don't know, I feel like I got more energy today with all these lights on and shaking and cold and laser beams, welding. I don't know. Look at that. The Bystronic sure does love some hard ox. That's a half-inch sheet of hard ox, making some wicked tooth bars. It's eating it up like butter. So I can stand here and watch this thing get hypnotized, so I better not look at that long. So right here, y'all seen our press brakes. We're over 10 minutes already, so if Facebook's gonna take it, I'm gonna have to get this lap down and start uploading. So we're gonna, we just ended the biggest month in EA history by a pretty long shot. Last year we set records monthly, and just couldn't imagine it just keep on going up. That's all these numbers are doing. But yeah, March, the biggest month in EA history. See all this wicked, that's gonna be some end tines laminated. Nothing, like I say, I'm a broken record. Nothing compares to that design. Nothing compares to our box blade design. Another wicked one right there. Here we go. These buckets here, they ready for a bath. And then some paint. It's a universal quick attach. Best value ever for a compact tractor bucket. 100% hard ox. Look at that wicked edge bolted on there. If you don't want a wicked edge, we can make it with a smooth edge bolted on. Some guys, they do some, that's some cold air coming in here. Some guys do like snow removal and stuff like that and would rather have a smooth edge. So we're easy. We want to give the people what they want. So we're happy to accommodate you on that. Man, I said it's 50. It can be 50 degrees out here. It's pretty chilly. Oh man, this sun might mess up our view of this orange bucket, but she's pretty. Got a tiller. Our tillers, and TerraForce tillers, have been awesome. I don't think you can see just how pretty that bucket is because of the sun. But man, that changed my view on painting stuff tractor colors. That orange wicked bucket there, I cannot argue when somebody says they want a bucket orange. But right here we see there's a lot of people. I'm shaking like a leaf. It's cold. It's got to be 46. But you see all this stuff here. Valk is the U.S. manufacturer we get our cutting edges from, but they're in Pennsylvania and they're having some bad delays due to COVID. So I hear that up there, if somebody's scared of getting it, they can pretty much just stay at home and get paid. So they're having bad labor shortages. So we're supposed to get our 60-inch cutting edges next week, 100% USA made cutting edges. We could have a container of those things stacked deep come in from China and probably not have had this issue, but we like, as we mentioned so much, we like keeping stuff in the USA if we can. It's worth it to us, and it's worth it really to our customers. And guys have been really understanding because of the delays. They know how busy we are and how much dedication we put on quality and just trying to keep this stuff in the US. So right there is a compact wicked box blade. Guys, there's, for the value in this thing, it's amazing. With the easy change, adjustable rippers, 100% hard ox rippers. It's that's good stuff, man. This video is gonna be as long as my other ones. I just can't quit talking about this beauty, wicked beauty. Look here, see here, look there. That must be the honey hole of available wicked grapples. I've been looking for these things. So man, these probably ship next week. Wait, oh, this script's messing with me. That's another April Fool's. Look at all that wickedness. All right, let's we better get away from that. Y'all gonna come up here and y'all be throwing all kinds of, just throw the whole bank vault at us or something, trying to get that stuff. All right, so we're just gonna make the final curve in this thing and wrap it up. Got some power. See, there's that 100% hard ox. 100% hard ox, 100% made under this roof. All this stuff. Doesn't look like I have any wicked tooth bars with I usually like showing you guys some numbers, but doesn't look like we have any of those tonight. What we have back here is it's a large compact, no, the large utility wicked. That's the bolt-in plates for that right there. That's for up to 125 horsepower. I know it'll take more than that. Ted's punished it with the 141 Kubota. So he's got one of those wicked 66s. It's probably in this batch, hopefully. So Ted's in line just like everybody else. In line for his wicked. We're gonna put it on the SVL 95 and see what she's got. So I look forward to seeing that. Thank you guys if you tuned in to the Tractor Time with Ted. You know, what other owner of a company in this industry just you know, goes live and okay, I'm gonna talk about a Toyota forklift for a minute. How about we look at something wicked? But what other owner of a company goes live and just lets people ask him questions and just candid transparency? That's what we're about. So, you know, we're just like you guys. We love our tractors, we love our attachments, outdoors, grilling. It's just, we're so in touch with our customers, so much in common with you guys, and we appreciate all the support. I tell you all the time, but I'll continue to do that every time I get a chance. We love the support. We love interacting with you. I said last night, I feel like I've neglected the group a little bit because it's been so crazy. I do good to go to the bathroom. I might end up like those Amazon workers, have me a little water bottle in there to catch some liquid. But anyway, let's wrap this up. Appreciate you joining us. Any questions, give me some comments. I hope you like seeing the action today. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a blessed Easter weekend, and we'll be back in the office Monday if you need anything. So have a great weekend. Thanks, guys. Travis out.